안녕하세요. This is Gia. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today, I want to introduce to you one of my favorite Korean salad. I modified Korean lettuce salad that is often served in Korean barbecue restaurant to my version. I'm using more varieties of vegetables and the dressing is super delicious. Let's go through a leafy green salad step by step. To make a perfect salad, we want to check the greens and remove any rotten leaves. Then rinse them enough in water and spun them in the salad spinner to get them as dry as possible. Wet lettuce dilutes your dressing and produces a soggy salad. So we're gonna put this in a refrigerator and then make a salad dressing. I'll start with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you don't have lemon, you may substitute it to a rice vinegar or white vinegar. Then we want to add soy sauce in here, and then brown sugar, and a little bit of water. About 1 tablespoon of water goes in here. And for the oil, we're using a little bit of sesame oil, about 1 tablespoon or so. Mix well. So slowly add oil while whisking constantly. Pour little by little and whisk until incorporated. Here, this is optional. 고춧가루, Korean chili flakes, about ½ teaspoon, just a little bit. And the toasted sesame seeds. Okay. Now we wanna cut the vegetables. We're gonna chop 2 stalks of scallion and then put this in the dressing. Okay. Now I want to check how it tastes like. So we're gonna cut a little bit of cucumber and then taste it. Dunk the dressing and taste it. So good. Perfect. Okay. Now, let's cut the small tomatoes. The veggies are prepared. Now it's time to dress the salad. I like to use big bowls to dress my salad. It helps to evenly get dressed. Okay, let's dress heavy veggies first. Cucumber and tomatoes first. I'm going to use half amount of the dressing. And the delicate leaves like romaine or baby leaves goes later. Actually at the last minute before serving. Now lightly toss. Sea salt dressing. I like to use my hands. Make sure that they are evenly dressed. Perfect. Now, let's plate them. Again, the green leaves need to be tossed at the last minute, just before serving. I like to sprinkle a little more sesame seeds on the top. It gives a nice nutty flavor and the texture. Perfect. It's time to taste. So good. Soy sauce has a lemony taste. Nutty flavor from sesame seeds and sesame oil. Goes very well with green leaves, tomatoes, and the cucumbers. I hope you like my recipe as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.